Everyone thinks the best-selling helper springs for the F-150 are automatically the best choice. But is that really true? If you take a closer look, you'll see some surprising differences that could change your towing and hauling experience. Product number 1. Torque Airbag Suspension Kit. The Torque Airbag Suspension Kit caught my attention right away, mainly because it's a direct OEM replacement for Firestone Ride-Right models, and it's priced at $232.99. If you want better load support and ride quality, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This kit is designed for 2015 to 2026 F-150 models and can handle up to 5,000 pounds, which means it's perfect for towing heavy loads without compromising your truck stability. The air pressure is adjustable, so you can fine-tune it based on your load, giving you peace of mind whether you're hauling a trailer or carrying cargo. Plus, with over 497 reviews and a 4.1 star rating, it's clear that many truck owners trust this product. Now, some people complained about the installation being a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, if you follow the provided manual, it's really a bolt-on installation with no drilling required. Just make sure you have basic tools handy. So, don't let the installation worries stop you from considering this kit. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable air suspension upgrade to enhance your towing capabilities without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you have an F-150 model with leveling arms or CCD systems, as it won't fit those. Now, if the installation concerns of the Torque kit bothered you, the next one on my list might actually be even better for ease of use. Product number 2. Hellwig Easy 990 Helper Spring Kit. Next up is the Hellwig 1801 Easy 990 Helper Spring Kit, which was another standout for me, priced at $250.79. If you need an easy way to boost your truck's load capacity, this is definitely worth checking out. This kit is specifically designed for smaller trucks and SUVs and can increase your load rating up to your vehicle's gross weight. With a 2,000 pounds capacity, it's perfect for light towing and everyday hauling. What's great is that it's made from heat-treated alloy spring steel, so you know it's built to last. Plus, the simple bolt-on installation means you can get back on the road without much hassle. It also comes with a 4.4 star rating from 379 reviews, indicating that it's well-loved by users. However, some reviews mention that it may not provide enough support for heavier loads. Here's the thing though, if you're only doing light towing, you should be perfectly fine. Just be aware of what your typical load will be. This is perfect for you if you're looking for something simple and reliable for light towing. Skip this one if you regularly haul heavy loads, as you might need something more robust. Alright, that was a solid option. But if you want something with more load support, the next product might catch your interest. Product number 3. Super Springs Helper Springs. The Super Springs set is up next, and it really impressed me with its price of $492.99. If you want a maintenance-free solution that dynamically adjusts to your load, this is definitely worth a serious look. These springs are designed specifically for 2014 to 2025 F-150 models, and they give an additional 1,500 pounds boost to your load capacity, which is huge for stability. One of the best features is that they automatically engage under load, meaning you don't have to worry about manual adjustments. With a 4.5 star rating from 188 reviews, it's clear that many truck owners appreciate this ease of use. Plus, they reduce body roll by up to 30%, which is a game changer for handling and cornering. Now, I did find some complaints about the price being a bit steep compared to others. But here's the thing. You're paying for a maintenance-free system that eliminates any worries about leaks or compressors, which can save you time and money in the long run. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable, hassle-free solution for regular towing and hauling. Skip this if you're looking for something more budget-friendly or if your needs are minimal. Now, if you're looking for a more adjustable option, the next product might just be what you need. Product number 4. Hellwig Silent Support System. Next on my list is the Hellwig 61607 Silent Support System, priced at $398.27. If you want a helper spring that offers a solid load capacity while keeping things quiet, this one deserves your attention. This setup can handle up to 2,500 pounds of load and features an over-axle mounting design that helps keep the ride smooth. It's tunable, so you can adjust it based on how much weight you're carrying. The silent support bushings are a nice touch, minimizing noise as you drive, which is something you'll appreciate on long trips. With a 4.2-star rating from 219 reviews, it shows that folks value this quiet performance. However, some users noted that it might not be as easy to install as expected. But honestly, if you're comfortable with some mechanical work, it's manageable, and the performance benefits can make it well worth your time. This is perfect for you if you want a strong, quiet helper spring that adapts to your needs. Skip this if you want something that's super easy to install right out of the box. And if you're looking for another budget-friendly air spring option, the last product might be just what you need. Product number 5, Torque Airbag Suspension Kit, older model. Finally, we have the Torque Airbag Suspension Kit for older models, priced at $170.99. If you're looking for a budget-friendly helper spring that still offers great load support for 2009 to 2014 F150s, this is worth a look. This kit also supports up to 5,000 pounds and has many of the same features as the newer version, including adjustable air pressure for varying loads. It's designed for easy installation, and you get all the necessary components included. With a rating of 4.2 stars from 195 reviews, it shows that many are satisfied with this option. However, some people mention issues with durability over time. Here's the thing though, if you're not constantly hauling heavy loads, it should hold up just fine for regular use. This is perfect for you if you have an older F-150 and need a reliable, cost-effective helper spring. Skip this if you're looking for the latest technology or extreme load capacity. Now, to wrap it up, let's quickly compare these 5 options. So there you have it. Torque's airbag suspension kits are fantastic for different models. Hellwig's options give you solid support with user-friendly features, and Super Springs are perfect for hassle-free maintenance. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, but the right choice really depends on your specific needs and budget. Whatever you pick, upgrading your helper springs can make a big difference in your F-150's performance.